Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decor. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or all like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end and then don't miss another amazing video designs and decor ideas. So guys, I am back with another beautiful idea about cake designs in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, stylish, eye-catching cake decor ideas that suit both home and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you're new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video and subscribe my YouTube channel. How to decorate your cake with a beautiful way. I provide you simple idea of how your cake that is essential, that is most creative. I hope you enjoy my video. The creativity I mentioned on my YouTube video. Thank you so much everyone for watching my cake designs. If you are interested in these types of design, in these types of videos, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy my cake designs. I hope you love my cake designs. I hope you love the designs of creativity. Thank you so much to like, to share, to watch my YouTube video. I hope this design and this creativity are authentic and creative. Cake decor ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decor ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trendy. If you like any designs and if you like more ideas than decorative tips, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. These designs bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. Consider these theme decor matching the occasions. Thank you so much guys. Allah Hafiz.